What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video I'm going to show you the true secret to making $200 per day, and we're going to start right now. Hey, my name is John and welcome to the channel. If you are interested in affiliate marketing and making money online, this is absolutely the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So in this video today guys, we're actually going to be talking about one of the true secrets to actually making $100, $200 per day that a lot of affiliate marketers and other gurus don't tell you about. So these strategies that we're going to be talking about today are a little different than what you probably have heard of in the past YouTube videos, or what you see on other YouTube video channels, or even what you've seen me talk about in the past YouTube videos. And so this is what I wanted to discuss today, one or two of the things that a lot of affiliates do to create that $100 to $200 per day. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So typically what you see an affiliate do, or what you see people talk about on YouTube, is they tell you that, you know, you got to pick a niche, you pick a product, you set up a squeeze page, and then you send traffic, right? And then, you know, you keep doing that, you follow up, and then you'll start generating your $100 to $200 a day. Now, that's all true, right? So, but what a lot of people aren't telling you, or what a lot of affiliate marketers don't tell you, is what I want to explain to you right now. So number one, a lot of affiliate marketers that are generating $200 per day are actually selling multiple products, right? It's not just coming from just one offer. Now, sometimes it can be, depending on, you know, the type offer and the price point of that offer, but a lot of times affiliate marketers are getting payments from various sources. It could be from this product or that product or this affiliate promotion. Now, in order to get different payments from all these different products and all these different sources, you need to have a lot of different websites and content out there. So you need to have like what I call website real estate. So you may have like different funnels set up, you may have blogs, you may have different, you know, just websites that you're promoting offers. You may have content on like YouTube, you may have an Instagram page that you're promoting different offers from. So basically you need to have multiple different avenues, multiple different website real estates, whether it's your YouTube, your blog, your sales funnels, multiple sales funnels, all these things working in conjunction for you every single day, you know, getting traffic, whether it's free or paid, that add up to making that consistent $200 a day. Because I know for me personally, there's products that, you know, I make sales on today, but then I may not make sales tomorrow, but then I may make sales from something else. So what happens is you want to get enough real estate out there, enough websites out there, enough sales funnels out there, enough video content out there, enough blogs out there, enough Instagram, enough following and traffic coming to these different little, you know, website entities, and it starts to generate this consistent $200 per day, right? So a lot of people don't actually talk about that. So they just show you like the screenshots of, you know, maybe the ClickBank account or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or whatever the affiliate marketing account is, but a lot of times they're making it from different sources, right? And so even if you're selling a high ticket product, you know, in which you can make, you know, more than $200 a day, a lot of times, even within those programs, you're gonna have to buy, you know, the sales funnel software, or the system, or the autoresponder, or the click tracking system. There's always going to be different things that you get to affiliatize that you can actually start just creating income. Like I actually got a payment from ClickMagick, which is a click tracking software that people use when they send solos. And you know, I just made $100 one day. They just sent me $100 just because I left a link in, you know, in my YouTube videos, right? So I didn't even know that people had signed up. It didn't even notify me, right? So, but I'm just kind of letting you guys know that you need to have different websites out there. You need to get some content out there. And the more you have out there and the more audience and traffic that you're generating to those websites, the more chances you'll get to that $200 a day. So I hope that made sense, guys. If you need help just kind of setting up everything, if this is all kind of new to you, I do have a guide that you can get right over here. It'll teach you how to start affiliate marketing from A to Z, right? So that's it for now, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment video, like it if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.